Looking for best mechanical keyboard in 2020-26? Here are three top contenders. First, Keychron Q3 Max Premium Aluminum Build Wireless plus Wired Connectivity, Hot Swappable Switches, QMK YVIA support, and an amazing typing sound. It is the best sound choice but also the most expensive. Second, Glorious GMMK Pro, a solid aluminum custom keyboard with great build quality and hot swappable switches. Perfect if you love customizing your keyboard but it is wired only. Number 3, KBD 67 Lite. The budget friendly options, lightweight, comfortable, and highly customizable. It does not feel as a premium as aluminum keyboard, but offers incredible value. Final verdict: best overall, Keychron Q3 Max. Best for custom builds, GMMK Pro. Best for budget pick, KBDK 67 Lite. Which one would you choose? Let me know if the comment and follow for the more review.